Have you ever wondered why the numbers 1 through 9 look the way they do? Well, I'm going to answer that question in this video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Take a look at that. In ancient times, our number system looked like this. Do you want to know why? Well, it's all based on angles. So what does angles have to do with anything? Well, let's see how much you remember. In a previous video, I talked about rays. Remember how you have the sun and it shoots off rays of light? Okay. Well, what happens is if you join two rays together, that forms an angle. You say, okay, so now we know what rays are, we know what angles are. We even know that this was our ancient numbering system. But what does that have to do with one another? Okay, here's the thing. How many angles do you see in the number 1? Well, there's only one angle, right there. Now, how many angles do you see in the number 2? Well, there's one there and one there. How many angles do you see in the number 3? One there, one there, one there. How many angles do you see in the number 4? Well, that starts off with a triangle, so there's 3 right off the bat, and there's actually a 4th one right down there. How about this number 5 over here? 1 right there, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5 angles. How about this 6? Well, there's obviously 4 angles in that box. There's a 5th one right there, and there's a 6th one right there. How about the number 7? You know how people draw a line through the 7? Well, here's your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's your 7 angles. What about 8? Well, obviously you have 2 triangles here, so there's 3 angles there, and there's 3 angles there, and there's also 1 angle here, 1 angle there. Hence 8. What about 9? There's obviously 4 angles in that box. There's a 5th one right down here, a 6th one here, a 7th one here, an 8th one there, and a 9th one right there. Now, how many angles are in the number 0? Well, there's none, because it's a circle. Since when have you seen an angle in a circle? It doesn't happen that way. And that's why our numbering system is the way it is today. Based on the angles you counted, that was your number. Isn't that clever? I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.